Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get CapCut on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to get or install CapCut on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So you just have to simply open your App Store, just go for search and simply search for CapCut and you'll get that app. So you can see I've already installed this. But in case if you can't find the app here or you might see that you're unable to update or install this app on your iPhone. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So you have to simply go back. Very first thing I recommend you have to try to connect with a different, stable, and strongest network connection. Go ahead to your settings again. Go to general here. Go to software update. Try to update your software because your CapCut needs the latest iOS version. So you have to try to update your iOS version or try to update your software. Go to iPhone storage here and just make sure that you have minimum 5 to 10 GB free with your iPhone storage. After doing this, just simply go back and open your settings again. Go to the screen time section, go to content and privacy restrictions, and disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling restrictions, just swipe up, close all the recent apps, then open your App Store, then simply search for CapCut and just try to download the app now. So after doing this, if you're still facing the same issue that you're still unable to install or download CapCut app on your iPhone. So you have a way more. You open your browser, go for search, and just simply search for CapCut, and just open the first website from here. You don't need to open this section. If you can't find a CapCut on your App Store, so you can find CapCut on your App Store using this install button here. It will direct you to lead on App Store and CapCut page. Or you can also use the web version. Open the CapCut AI video editor or the website CapCut here. Just tap on the three dots, then tap on the share button, and here just select add to home screen. Then name it with CapCut Web, tap on add, and it will be added to your home screen. So you can use the web version of CapCut if you can't install that app. So in this way, you can easily use CapCut on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.